Hey guys! So in this video, I'm gonna show you a yummy protein smoothie pop that I make for myself and my kids. I'm always looking for really great high protein alternatives. You guys know I love my perfect yellow hard-boiled eggs and different kind of egg recipes, but I do like to change it up. Let me know what you guys are making at home. This is something that I'm doing recently, which my kids are really loving, and I'm able to get some extra protein in their bodies in the mornings. A lot of times when I have my berries in the fridge, they start to go bad pretty quickly. Even though I try to do, this is this like new bag I'm trying to kind of keep things fresher. It's actually working. If it continues to be good, I'm gonna share it with you guys, but I'm trying this new little bag that I got, this like little European bag. But again, it's really hard to keep berries fresh for long, right? So one of the things I like doing, like I don't like throwing food out. So when they start to turn a little bit and I don't want to throw them out, I'll freeze them. So berries you want to do in like a single row like this. Okay, so we're going to use these frozen berries. I love Greek yogurt. I'm going to use Greek yogurt, milk, a little agave. And then for extra protein, you guys know I'm all about my bone broth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add bone broth powder into it for a little extra protein pack. I'm actually going to whip my collagen powder into my yogurt just to make sure it's all really combined, because you do not want any chalkiness or anything. This is a flavored yogurt. By all means, use plain yogurt, whatever. I also do full fat, but whatever you guys want to do it up. So let's add a scoop of our collagen powder. This one doesn't have a flavor to it. It looks vanilla, but it actually doesn't have a flavor to it. They used to have a chocolate one, this company, but I can't seem to find it. I'm also gonna add a little bit of the milk to make sure this is all really incorporated. And then we'll throw it in our blender. Okay, so we're gonna whisk in the powder, make sure it's all combined. Also, you know, my kids are a little picky, right? So if they taste anything like granular or whatever, they're not gonna eat it. So I gotta make sure it's all combined. Okay, let's just put the rest of the milk in here. Let's go to our blender. We have our little mixture in there. We're gonna put our strawberries in. I get so bummed when I don't finish produce soon enough and I have to throw it out. So anything I can do to make sure I use it, I do. And this is a cool example. It's another reason why I like, I show you guys how I wash and prep my produce in advance. So I also make sure that I use it, because sometimes you're just so tired you don't feel like dealing with washing and drying it. So that's another trick that I do all the time. Tablespoon of agave. Okay guys, let's do this. Okay, let's fill our little popsicle cups. Let's taste it. That is so delicious, you guys. Also, the other reason I like adding agave or honey is because it cuts any like tartness of the yogurt. This is really delicious. Okay, let's fill our popsicle things. So this is a really easy recipe, you guys, and please feel free to like tailor make it. I love showing you guys stuff that you can put your own twist on. This was 2 cups of my frozen berries, 3/4 of a cup of yogurt, a cup of milk, and a tablespoon of agave. And then I did a scoop of that collagen protein powder. And this is looking really, really great. This is like, look at this. This is like the perfect amount to fill these. Love when that happens. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I also love, you know, making stuff like this because yes, could I go buy frozen smoothie pops for my kids and myself? Sure. But making it is so easy and you know exactly what goes into it. Oh my gosh. Into the freezer we go. Are you trying to get a popsicle? Yeah.
I want this.
How is it?
Awesome.
Okay guys, so popsicles had to freeze all day. It's now nighttime. My kids already ate 2. But check this out. Oh my gosh, there's an avocado in the frame. Look, and a glass. Look at how awesome. They came out perfectly. Oh my gosh, those are delish. Wow. You can see my son's birthday balloon in the reflection.